This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Robinhood Gold card. First, ensure you are a Robinhood Gold member, which is a requirement for eligibility. Next, you'll need to join the official waitlist, which you can do either through the Robinhood app or on their website. Finally, be aware that applicants must be United States residents, at least 18 years old, and possess a valid Social Security number to proceed with the application process. Once invited off the waitlist, the application process requires you to provide essential personal details. This includes your full name, email address, date of birth, and current residential address. You will also need to submit your Social Security number and an estimated annual income. Remember, a credit check is part of the approval process, so maintaining a strong credit profile can significantly improve your chances. The Robinhood Gold Card offers impressive benefits for cardholders. You'll earn an uncapped 3% cash back on nearly all purchases, making everyday spending more rewarding. For those who travel, booking through the Robinhood travel portal provides an even higher 5% cash back. Plus, the card itself has no annual fee and charges no foreign transaction fees, which is great for international use. Managing your Robinhood Gold Card is simple through its dedicated credit card app, separate from the main Robinhood investing app. Here, you can track your spending, view transactions, and even generate virtual card numbers for enhanced security online. You can also add up to 5 family members as authorized users, setting individual spending limits for each. For more financial insights, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.